Good morning to the grade 4ers. We decided to give you a fiddle tune to dive into today, and this is one of the most fun fiddle tunes ever. It's called The Devil's Dream, and what we'd like to do is just play it for you once, just so you can get to hear how the whole thing sounds. We'll do 1, 2. There you go. So now to get into how to learn the Devil's Dream, there's basically 4 sections to this, and each section is 2 bars long. So the first 2 bars is the first section. I'll leave out that first note for now. So this is one section. And then the next 2 bars is the next section. And to play the next section, what I was explaining to the children today is that we've got to center our finger over the A and the E string, literally coming both at the same time, which I call a block. And what I did is I put a box over those notes and a line, which means we hold the first finger till near the end of the line. So when we play this second section, I've got the second finger on the 2 strings. Sounds like this. Then the next 2 bars are the same as the first 2, and then bar 7, 8, 9 is the next section that's new. And then bar 10 is the last new section, which goes like this. And then everything else we've already played once. Okay? So, and there's a lot of repetition in these patterns too. When we do the first section, this little pattern happens 3 times in a row. And when we do the second section, again this happens 3 times. It's the block. 3 times in a row. Okay? So there's so much repetition. This is not a difficult tune to learn, and it's a heck of a lot of fun when we really get it going. Okay, so have fun learning that. I also prepared an accompaniment part, and Mr. Coach is going to go over that.
In a way, this part is simpler, but in a way, it's more interesting because harmony is so much more complex, more substantial than just melody. Melody without harmony is after a while, quite boring. Harmony is what adds the 3rd dimension in music. We have 1 note for every 2 of the melodies, so you'll hear, etc. We play twice as slow. Okay, I put a minimum of fingerings in Mr. Suderman's arrangement here. You should quickly get a feel for the repeated notes, also for the open strings. There are a lot of open strings, and we shouldn't need to have a 0 written in with each of those. Okay, use fingerings where there are jumps. In the rests in line 4 and line 8, you can just, I'm going to play the second half of line 3, you can just leave the bow on the string, easy as pie. Just wait, now. Okay, counting those rests exactly is going to be a bit of a challenge. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. Okay.
So here is The Devil's Dream.